If you want to make video calls on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, just simply open your contacts. Now pick the contact that you want to make that call and click on the video icon. Now you will be redirected into the Google Meet application, and as you can see in this case, I'm actually calling someone who can't receive calls. So what you have to do, if you have the same situation, you have to just share that link with that person, and then this second person, when receive that link, will be able to go for the Google Meet application, and you can just join that call in the Google Meet. And that's basically how the screen looks. You can use share, you can share screen, you can use some kind of the companion mode, and you can simply join into the call by clicking just over here. And in this place, you can also adjust your camera, so you can grant permission into your camera, into your microphone. You can also send some emojis during the video call, and by clicking here you can find some other things on the go, captions, for example. So there's actually a lot of things on this, on this Google Meet call. But if this second person phone support these video calls, you don't have to actually use that Google Meet extension. You will be just redirected like in the normal phone call screen, like in this one. So that's pretty much it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.